Hi guys, welcome to the video. So in my video today, I will introduce you my meeting minutes automation workflow with Google Sheet and Gmail on N8N. So the goal of this template is very simple. It's when you have meeting minutes to send, to write, so you will write them in a Google Sheet and then you will send them automatically to all of the recipients you need. So it will be automated. So you need a Google account with Gmail and you need Google Sheet. So how does it work? So first of all, you have the workflow trigger and data gathering. So the workflow will be triggered manually when you want and when you finish to write down all of what you want. Then an email will be automatically generated, and with all of the data you entered, it will be sent to the person who or the recipient. So the logic is very easy, but I will show you in an example. So previously you need to have set up a template, so with the topics, status, owner, and next steps. So now I will fill it. Topic, I don't know, we can do whatever we want. So for example, deployment status in progress, owner, James, next step, post go live QA. Then second topics, go live, status, done, owner, Angela, and next step, none. Okay, so we have our meetings. So just let me correct here. Go live. Okay, so we have here. Now we want to send it. So up, we will execute our workflow. All right. So now we go to our mailbox, meeting notes, today meeting. Hello, here are the elements of the meeting. Topic, deployment, status in progress, owner James, post go live QA, go live, done, Angela, none. Have a good day, the PM team. So you can see it's work as we want, so we can write everything we need, but now I will show you just how I set up. So for the trigger, it's easy. Then you get a get-ready sheet where you enter all of the detail of your Google Sheet and which sheet you want. So I choose by ID 0 because this is the ID 0. Then you just have to say that for the data location, the header row is the first one, and then the data starts at the second row. So okay. Then for the code, it's in JavaScript. It's where you generate the email. So you write down how you want, and then send a message. So you link your Gmail account, message sent to. So this is the recipient you want to send, the subject of the email, the type, and you just copy and paste the HTML you have done correctly from the code, from the node code. And that's it. So have a good day. Bye bye.